Happy holidays, happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas to everyone out there. Today we are going to do a lovely foodie. It is a fruitcake. Not any old fruitcake now. For those of us who have allergies or maybe even on the healthier side, we are going to do a gluten-free, nut-free and non-alcohol cake. This is a fruitcake similar to what we do in Trinidad, but theirs have rum. Let's go. I will put the recipe in my description, but to make it short, we are doing a 1-to-1 ratio. So we are doing 1.5 cups of our flour, which is rice flour mixture, which is a gluten-free mixture. I'm also doing to that 1.5 cups of our blended mixed fruits, 1 cup of sugar, and ½ pound of butter going to be cream. We are using 3 eggs, but we are only mixing 2 eggs, 1 egg in our mixture. We are going to separate 2 yolks from the white, and we are going to put in the yolks and mix it in that cake mixture. We are using also 1 teaspoon of coffee in our mixture, orange juice, apple cider vinegar, and also baking powder, because this will help leaven and lighten our cake batter. Last but not least, I find that when I peak my egg whites and gently fold it in, this as well helps with retaining the moisture of the fruit cake. Another tip as well, I put it in a bath, which is like a double boiler, and put it in the oven to bake. I foil it at first for ½ an hour, 350 degrees. I remove the foil and I leave it to continue to bake. I find that it really comes out moist this way. You can try it, however. This is not a sugar-free recipe. This is gluten-free and nut-free, so it still retains a flavor. At the end of this, I love basting it with a maple syrup. I put a little orange juice in it as well, and will continue basting it. I will poke it with holes, and I find that it comes in very nicely. It needs to set, it needs to get cool, and you can continually basten it according to your palate of sweetness. Anyhow, I love this recipe. You can try it if you want. If you have any suggestions, go right ahead and let me know what you think.